Hello and welcome to Yescapa's Road Tips. In today's tutorial, we're looking at how to fill the water tank in a motorhome, campervan or converted van. Filling the water tank will allow you to shower, cook and brush your teeth. However, it is not recommended to drink or consume this water directly. You can find water stations at dedicated service areas, petrol stations and campsites. Locate the water tank inlet, often marked with a water drop symbol. Make sure not to confuse it with the fuel tank. To open the tank, use the dedicated key. Start by turning it, then press the buttons and, if necessary, turn the cap towards you. Use a suitable jerry can or hose to speed up the process. Insert one end of the hose into the tank, connect the other end of the hose to the water source, and then turn on the tap. Depending on the water source and the country you're traveling in, you may need to use adapters. You'll usually find these in the vehicle's accessories. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to ask the owner for advice. To avoid wasting water, keep a close eye on the water level on your vehicle's control panel. When you've finished, make sure to turn off the water tap and close the tank properly. Last but not least, lock everything securely. Remember to empty any remaining water from the hose before storing it to prevent leaks. Some extra info. Vehicles generally have tanks ranging from 15 to 170 litres. We don't recommend drinking the water from the tank, but you can use it for brushing your teeth or consume it once heated for cooking or making hot beverages. Occasionally, you will need tokens to use the water stations in dedicated motorhome areas. You can find these at local tourist offices or town halls. You now know how to fill up the fresh water tank in a motorhome, campervan or converted van. For more advice, take a look at our other road tips videos. Safe travels and see you soon on Yescapa.